Okay, friends, if you are studying ACCA at the moment and you are either at the knowledge level or at the skills level, and you still have to sit paper audit and assurance, AA, your favorite subject, I would recommend you guys to try and do that before September 2027. In fact, try to do it even sooner. Don't leave it for June 27, okay? Just in case if you have to resit. Because from September 2027, this paper will change a lot, both in terms of syllabus as well as in terms of the exam. So from September 2027, the whole ACCA qualification changes. There's going to be new things added, everything's going to be renamed and so on. And the papers in the current skills level are going to become, tax would be E1, E2 is going to be financial reporting, E3 is audit and assurance, your favorite, E4 is going to be financial management, whatever it's going to be called later on, and E5 is the current performance management, the old F5 paper. And so one of the things that changes is that when you sit AA or E3 under the new qualification, you would be expected to know the financial accounting not only from the lowest level, like the knowledge, which is FA at the moment, but you will actually need to know the accounting standards from FR, current FR, or E2, which will be called later on financial reporting paper. So your syllabus will be bigger, there's more accounting knowledge that you can be tested on and you will be tested on. There's going to be more types of risk added as well, because for now you have audit risk, but then you will also need to know and understand business risk. And the exam, instead of having 30% objective testing and 70% written marks, will become 60% objective testing and only 40% written. Now, you might think, yes, that's great news, but no, guys, listen, it's not a good news, according to me at least, because the OTQs, especially for AA, for audit papers, audit and assurance, could be very, very tricky to decide which is the correct answer. The paper is a bit subjective in many ways, so it's going to be hard. It's going to be more like, oh, if you get it right, if you're lucky to get it right. While now, when you have 70% writing, you know that each of the 3 questions is going to focus on a specific topic, which is no longer going to be the case. When the subject changes, anything can be examined in the written section. So there's no predictability, and now you can use good exam technique for each of those questions which come up in the written section, be it present. That's no longer be helpful when the qualification changes in September 2027. So go for AA sooner than that. Good luck.